Hi, I'm Melina Parasso and welcome to Expert Village. In this series, we're going to talk about turning regular, boring old jeans into funky bell bottoms. In this step, we're going to talk about pinning the triangle inserts onto our jeans. So you're going to go ahead and open up your jeans, and you're going to take a triangle insert. And you remember that we had left an inch at the bottom, so you're not going to really try to measure this up. You can go ahead and leave an inch to half an inch at the bottom. You want to have right sides facing. So if this is the outside of the triangle, and this is the outside of the jean, they are going to be facing each other. Because we're going to pin exactly where we're going to sew. And we're going to sew along this edge. So once it's sewn, we flip it over, and it's together. So it's very important. Always remember right sides facing. That's like a mantra in the clothes making business. Right sides facing. So we're going to go ahead and take our pin, and we're going to pin. You want to make sure you pin on the seam allowance, because that way it's easier when you sew. And it holds the edges together. And now we're going to pin the other side, and you have the top of the triangle here, so you're going to take this little peak, you're going to move it inside, and now we're going to pin the other side. So you can see what we have here is the inside of one side of the bell-bottom pant. So we're going to go ahead and pin this. There we go. So we're going to pin along the seam allowance, and you can see here again the importance of ironing, because if this was all wrinkly, we'd be having a lot of difficulty trying to straighten out the edges. So this is the inside of one side of the bell bottom. So now we're going to put another triangle piece on the other side. And whenever you're sewing, you always want to work inside out. So now we're going to go ahead and pin the other triangle to the other side of the bell-bottom jean.